Let me try to create or demonstrate a reach campaign. Now the question is, what is the difference between the brand awareness and the reach? Okay, brand awareness means showing your advertisement to a single person more than one time so that people tend to remember your brand name. Reach is basically it will try to show your advertisement to a person at least once, no guarantee that it will show to them again. So reaching more people, brand awareness is making people to remember your brand. That is the purpose. Okay, now what is the difference we are going to see? In my personal experience, there is no specific difference. The logical difference is brand awareness will show your advertisement to a person several times. Reach will show an advertisement to a person only one time at least. Okay, now as usual, like we defined the name in the previous campaign, we can name it here. Now what we can say, I say me reach, because I need to know when I have more campaigns whether this is a reach campaign or a brand awareness campaign, just for my understanding. Okay, so this is not a special category advertisement, so I'm not giving anything. Campaign details and objectives are automatically chosen, okay, based on my input. I'm not going to run a A/B testing here. Campaign level budget optimization, okay, just for a difference, rather than giving a budget optimization on the ad set level, let me try to give this budget optimization in the campaign level. Okay, now when I say campaign level budget optimization, whatever the budget I'm giving you, if I create more than one ad set, this 500 rupees will be equally split across all the ad sets to run the advertisement. Okay, if I am running an advertisement with more than one ad set, now I want to have a control over the budget for all the ad set which I am creating. I can go with the campaign budget optimization technique. If not, I can turn off this and go to the next screen where I can configure my budget with the ad set level. Okay, ad set name again me reach body. Okay, now remember I already have an audience created, so the page, okay, not this Agapa University page, let me try to create this Amudha Kumar page. Okay, now what I'm trying to see here, okay, the indicator says it is green in color. That's really great. 26,000 to 75,000 people is what my advertisement can be shown based on my budget. Okay, with respect to reach, remember with the branding I was able to show only to 8,000 people, but when it is come to reach with the same budget I could reach up to 26,000 people. Now I come down here with the page budget and schedule, not only with the 200 rupees, when I go with 500 rupees, for 200 rupees itself it is 26,000 people. For 500 rupees, what happened? It is not changing. You may spend more than daily budget. Okay, so okay, I don't know why it is not changing. Okay, but I switch off that one. Okay, so I come down here. Okay, this is my budget. Let it be with the 200 rupees itself. Okay, now rather than defining a new audience, again I can go to the saved audience and I choose me branding body. So I use this audience for reach campaign. Okay, now what happens? Based on my conditions, whichever I have defined, the reach has become 7,700. Okay, based on my restrictions and conditions. Okay, so 200. Let me try to change the budget with 300. 9,006. Okay, so 500. 13,000. Okay, when you go with 1,000, 18,000. Now what I'm trying to say here is 200 rupees audience. Okay, 200 rupees without any audience. Okay, now I have an audience of saved audience of this one. Okay, but if you want I can try to create a new audience. Okay, now I can even leave it like as it is. Okay, without saving this audience, because I want to show it to lots of people about this product. So if restricting the audience with respect to your niche or theme is going to be adding more business to you, you can restrict. Otherwise, you can leave it like as it is so that more people tend to look at this one. But the problem here is what I basically see is by default audience is India, but I want to show it only to people in this particular village which I'm trying to target. So it is a brilliant idea to choose the branding value for my location. So the reason why the number of people reach is getting restricted is because the whole India is restricted to a single village. Okay, so even this village I am showing to 7,700 people approximately. Okay, so again placement is automatic placement where it is going to show to all the people in Facebook, Instagram and all the platform. Now if you want to see the combination about Facebook and audience network, it is almost 6,000 people. Okay, only on only on Facebook 5,000 people. Combination of Facebook and Instagram, it is around 7,800 people. Combination in only in Instagram, it is 5,000 people only. Now when I want to reach more people, okay, combination of Facebook and Insta will give you 7,800 views. Combination of only Facebook will give only 5,000. Okay, Instagram will give visibility of only 5,800. Now Facebook and Instagram is giving you 5,000, I mean 7,000 to 22,000. So it is a great idea to combine both the Facebook and Instagram to run this reach campaign. Okay, so come down as usual, we have several options based on your priority, you can do that. Okay, so let us go to the next screen. Okay, again, so you need to define your ad set name, select the preferable page for your advertisement campaign. Okay, ad group we are going to create single or multiple as I've already done in the previous campaign. Okay, what you need to do is to upload your image. Okay, if you already have, you clear them or click on the change image option, and once you have already uploaded image that will be there in your library, so you can go ahead and choose the image of your choice. Okay, like this. Now look at this one. The size of 9 colon 16 is set. 9 is to 16 is set, so that is automatically taken. Now it says horizontal. When I try to select the horizontal option, and it tells me which is used for horizontal advertisement. So this is what it is, horizontal. Now you look at this one. The horizontal is not comfortable. Look at this one. Okay. Even if you try to crop, this becomes incomplete. 9 cross 16. So don't use this 9 cross 16 size for this image. So click on cancel and remove this 9 cross 16, or try to do the square. And how does this square shaped advertisement looks like? Look at this one. So this is a square. Okay, try to crop it and see. Now when you try to do this advertisements like this, if it is a square, either use the bottom content or use the top content. Okay, so I believe so the bottom content has the recipe and also the meet and eat logo. Okay, so let me try to choose this one accordingly, the image. So I'm trying to crop this image accordingly. Now let me apply. Now I don't have an option to 1.91 colon 1 option. I don't have that. So I cannot show this size to other people. Let me not select this one. So let me click on done. Now based on the input of the images that I have given, okay, it is going to show me advertisement to 10 different places in Instagram and Facebook. And what are those 10 different places? It is going to show me on the Facebook and Instagram feeds and the Facebook and Instagram stories, and in stream it is not going to show, which means whenever a video is playing, the advertisement is supposed to show. That is basically in stream. Okay, so you click on this one to see the preview. Okay, there are 10 different previews available. Okay, which we can use to move this preview and see the different sizes. Okay, so this is how the advertisement will look like. Okay, preview. So I'm not going to touch the text. Okay, so I just leave it in your hands because in the previous campaign I showed you how do you modify this content. So select this and type the content of your choice. Okay, and once you do this automatically, okay, your campaign is ready. Hit publish, it will go. You have balance in your account, this advertisement will go live. If there is no balance in your account, you have to upload your cash. Remember, based on the terms and conditions that Facebook has, it may approve your campaign, it may disapprove your campaign. So once your campaign is approved, then you will be receiving a notification on your Facebook notification button which says your campaign with the name. Okay, the campaign is either approved or running on your account. So from that point itself, you will have your advertisement being served to people. Okay, you may not be able to see the advertisement that is created by you by yourself. Okay, so never try to see that one. Okay, so you can check into this option and there is a preview that is available here. Okay, So the one thing that we are unable to do here is because I don't have an access of the meet and eat page, I'm unable to run advertisement here. But if you are planning to run your advertisement for any leading brand, remember you can always approach the client and start running the advertisement campaign for the leading brands. Just because their brand is very high and their advertisement campaign will be given only to the very big branded agencies, never. If you are confident enough, you can approach any business out there to help them get visible in the digital marketing platform. Okay, so whatever we have done till now is the reach campaign. Okay, and we will be discussing about the other campaigns in the upcoming videos to come.